Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is tuning human biology to the energy field of the cosmos. Ladies and gentlemen, human biology is not merely a structure of cells and systems. It is a finely attuned field of energy designed to interact with a deeper, subtler intelligence that permeates the cosmos. This is not a matter of belief, but of increasing scientific awareness and ancient remembrance converging at a profound crossroads. Each cell pulses with frequency. Each thought shapes chemistry. Emotions ripple through the body not only as feeling but as vibration. The insights of epigenetics and quantum biology now affirm what timeless traditions always held, that the human system is influenced not just by matter but by energy, intention, rhythm, and coherence. Research on heart-brain alignment reveals how inner states influence external outcomes. The Schumann resonance, Earth's natural electromagnetic rhythm, has been shown to synchronize with human physiology, shaping sleep, mental clarity, and emotional balance. Subtle signals once dismissed are now emerging as keys to human flourishing. Across cultures and centuries, practices like breath regulation, mantra, stillness, fasting, sacred movement, and inner silence were not just spiritual rituals. They were technologies of alignment designed to tune the body and mind to the cosmic frequency and energy flow. These disciplines cultivated presence, clarity, and resilience. They were instruments for coherence, not escape. Modern studies in biofield science suggest that human intention can influence molecular structures, biological repair, and even DNA expression. What was once the domain of mysticism is now entering laboratories and research journals. The lines between energy and biology are not blurring, they are converging. This tuning is not limited to health or healing alone. It opens the path to clarity, purpose, and consciousness. The cosmos responds not to control but to resonance. When inner alignment is sincere, the outer field begins to respond in synchrony. As ancient texts suggest, sincerity itself becomes the antenna through which cosmic guidance flows. What's the way forward? As the pace of life accelerates and complexities deepens, cultivating coherence becomes essential. It begins with honoring natural rhythms, nurturing breath awareness, reducing sensory noise, and embracing practices that bring the body and mind into stillness. When tuned with care, the human system becomes not just adaptive but luminous. The evolution ahead is not only technological, it is energetic, conscious, and intentional. Tuning to the cosmic energy field is not about leaving the world behind, it is about meeting it with clarity, depth, and grace. As the Bhagavad Gita reminds, yoga is skill in action. Such skill arises when action flows from alignment. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, the cosmos speaks not in force, but in rhythm, energy, and resonance. When human biology tunes to this frequency, it becomes not just a vessel of life, but an instrument of cosmic harmony. Let awareness unfold like the quiet, steady hum of the cosmos itself, ever present, ever guiding. Let each step be taken in alignment, each breath attuned to the rhythm of life's greater design. For in that quiet coherence, the cosmos pulse is not a distant force, it becomes an intimate, ever-present melody within and around. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.